Welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at brushes. To be precise, we're going to take a look at the difference between art brushes and pattern brushes. So let's imagine you want to draw a cable, and you can do that based on this base element using brushes. So let's go to Window, Brushes, and let's first check out art brushes, because you can do what's needed. Let's take this, drag it into here, make an art brush, press OK. So we're going to first try this out because it's not set up correctly. Go in here and then let's use this. And you see this does not work because the plugs get distorted here and they are too long. They are scaled incorrectly. So this can be addressed. We can double click that brush and scale it differently. Scale it to stretch between guides. You can move the guides here and this one over here, like so. Apply to the strokes and you see they don't get stretched incorrectly anymore. They still get distorted because the path is round here. This is something that you can't address in art brushes. Let's take a look at something different. So if we assume the typical cable spaghetti, like this, then the art brush also behaves strangely. The crossings are not correct. Let's make a pattern brush for comparison. I've already prepared it. So we've got the shape down here, and if I go into outline view, then you see the boxes are already there. Those boxes are rectangles and they are invisible. As you can see here, they have no fill and no stroke. They need to be at the bottom of the object stack of every one of these parts. And also, these are different parts. So let's go back into the preview. I've already also cut them. So let's start to build the pattern brush. I'm going to first select this part, drag it into here, make a pattern brush. And then let's select everything that belongs to this part and press the Alt key, move it here. And again, the same for this one. Again, press the Alt key and move it there, like so. And let's make a copy of this and then assign the pattern brush. And you see, it behaves differently in the overlaps. So the brush is built differently and this looks correct, but these things don't. So this does not work. Maybe we can address it. So let's try that. Let's select all of them, make a copy again, and then we're going to select the invisible box and scale it. I'm going to scale it like so. And again for this one. And scale it like so. So in outline view, this looks like this. And let's create just another pattern brush. I'm going to start with this one, drag it in here, like so, make a pattern brush, and then let's go to OK. And the next thing is we select these parts, press the Alt key, drag it in here, and these parts, and again press the Alt key and move it in here, like so. Okay, let's make another copy and assign the next brush. And you see this time those blocks are not bent because they are not included in this invisible rectangle. So that's how you can make this cable brush work.